Today, my topic would be starting from Reverend John. He is the man who has sent me a Facebook friend request, and you can also just find also on Facebook. And he has messaged me first saying, "My name is Reverend Father John. I base in UK. I will like to share my plan with you. So, can I have your WhatsApp number?" So immediately I sent my WhatsApp number. "Check your WhatsApp," he said. And after that, as I checked, and I could see that his introduction about himself. "My name is Father John from St. Louis Catholic Church, UK. I will like to share my plan with you in building of Bible college and school in the hospital and old age home and real estate. The project worth 500,000 £1,000 I will send you, and a blessed gift from my heart for helping me to do this project. You and your family will take 20% from this 500,000 £1,000. I need your information like your address, your full name, your phone numbers, your occupations, your age, and your full name." "Hi, Father," I messaged. "Yes, my dear brother. Your name, please, Father. I'm waiting for your address. Police Sagar, zone 958180062. My name, number 27, Hype Nagar. I just mentioned my age and all. My name is Reverend Father John. Is this enough, Father details?" "Okay, I have received your details. Wait for my reply tomorrow." Okay, thank you. Have a nice day, Father. God bless you. On the second day, on 22nd September 2020, "Good morning, my dear brother." "Hi, good morning, Father. I have already sent it. The gift will be delivered to you. The agent will inform you when the parcel arrived in India." This is completely grammar mistakes. "You will receive it on Wednesday, my dear. I gave you this gift for you and your family to be happy. Everything will be fine when you receive it. Regards to you and your family. The gift is for you and the money is for the project. Will arrive on Monday morning. So when the gift arrives at the airport, they will call you how to send it to your home address. Okay? Please don't let anyone know about the money inside for security reasons." Okay, Father. Then you just see what are the things he just tried to send me, and he said that he'll be sending in a parcel these shoes and iPhone, Rolex, best shoes, gold chain. See, oh my God, I thought this will be for my mother. I decided I should give only this to my mother, and this I'll be using. This I'll be for myself. This it will be for me. And I thought this I will be giving to my brother, and this I will be giving. This saree will be to my, like my mother, and to my, I just wanted to use all the things. I was see that gold diamond in it. Okay, and I was so much surprised, and I was really, this was the first time I was trapped. Okay, that is how he just tried to trap me. And you can see the gold chain here also, and you see here huge amount of money. Okay, and after some time he sent me, "Yes, it is getting parcel." And the same picture, when I have just searched in Google, the same image, the same person, the same kind of the tying and everything I could see. And later, and I also have seen, can you see sand? Yes, on his sand, can you see the curves here? Okay, here. And the same curves on his hand are not found on the other hand. It may be funny, but when I have just analyzed it, these two hands are completely different, and he is completely fake. I just analyzed on the day itself. Okay, and I just want to know how he is going to still trap me and play with me. And he just sent me, "This gift is for you and your family. Amen. The money is for the project. Okay, I gave you the gift from my heart and for your family. Once again, please don't let anyone know about the money inside. Security reasons. You are the one I will be taking. You are the one you will be taking care of the project, Cities of India. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Reply." Okay. May I know the project, Father? School, hospital, old age home. Okay, sure, Father. But can you give me more clarification, Father? Because once I promise to you something, I must do it. My name is Reverend Father John from St. Louis Catholic Church. Again, he told me to read above it. And next one, okay, can I have a video chat, Father? And he started narrating good drama here. Okay, like after I finish the fasting on Wednesday, I will call you. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, I am in fasting and prayers about this project. Okay, send me a picture, Father. Then he sent me this picture, and he is the innocent priest in UK somewhere. Okay, and one more thing, he has complete different pictures he is sending me, and this is and after that I messaged, Father, how did you come to know about me on Facebook? You are the one that added me on Facebook, okay? And first he is the one who sent me a friend request, and I accepted it. And he says that I am the one. Then, my dear brother, I don't have time for all these questions, okay? And you are the one that added me on Facebook, okay? Then I said, you are entrusting your vision to me. I know that is fake, okay, clear. How come you trust me? You are entrusting your vision to me. How come you trust me? I am asking you, how do you trust me, and from where you have got this trust from me? Sorry to ask you many questions, Father.
Deliver to your home address, you have to pay the custom clearance charges of 38,000 rupees.
Sorry?
You have to pay the custom clearance charges of 38,000 rupees.
8,000 rupees?
38.
38,000.
Yes.
Okay, and where are you now?
New Delhi.
Okay, bring that to my home, then I'll forward to you everything.
Sorry?
Bring the money to me. I mean to say, bring the parcel to me. I will send you.
No, actually you have to pay the clearance charges first.
Okay. I think it's better you come fast, no? You come to Hyderabad, then I can pay. Because how can I pay now? You're completely away from me and we are completely away from each other.
I cannot come. I stay in New Delhi Customs Department. You have a parcel.
Okay. Okay, then can you call me after can you call me in the afternoon? I'll be talking with Father John also, Reverend John. Then I'll come back to you. He told me that I need not to pay any kind of money.
Okay.
And 23rd, I just messaged him. Hi Father, I got a call. I need to pay 37,000. I need to pay him. Then they will send parcel to me, it seems. How is it that, Father? I received a call from the airport now. They told me that we have to pay for delivery charges, my dear brother. Usually we don't pay that much amount for the parcel in India. My brother is a CI, okay? Central Indian Police. I told I will be getting parcel. He said okay, but extra baggage won't cost much from the customer. He said okay. How should we go about it, Father? If you don't want to pay the money, then they will send back the gift back to my country. Okay, no problem about that. Okay. What shall I do, Father? Yes, you don't have the money to pay them, so they will send my gifts back to my country. Yeah, I don't have that much money, Father. What shall I do? I have heard you, okay? They will send my gift back. Father, I have only 25,000 in my bank. I gave call to them. No, I didn't give. I will talk with them now, okay? Go and pay 25,000, okay? Is that okay, Father? Don't worry, I have talked with them, okay? Okay, Father, I will send them now itself, okay? After you pay the money to them, they will deliver the gift to your home address, okay? What about 17? Okay, how shall I pay them, Father? They will send you an account, okay? Thank you so much, Father, for reducing price. And I just this is the part where I had come across all these calls and all. Then I started playing more with him. Like, thank you so much, Father, for the reducing price and 3 kisses. You see that? And they told me you are not picking a calls, and call them back. I am in a meeting. I'll call them back in 15 minutes, Father. And I kissed him again 3 times. I will call him now to send me the account so that I will send it to you here. Okay, Father. Thanks you so much, Father, for your pets and many cases again. Sorry, Father, if I'm so emotional. Send me the account details fast. Send me the phone pay or Google Pay number. Did you receive account from them? No, Father. And he sent me this account. Just keep it in your mind, okay? I'm just telling you, these are the, okay? And I got message also, Father, and I kiss him. Phone pay or Google Pay, Father, I pay them on the spot. Okay, no problem. If you pay the money, please send me the Google Pay slips, okay? Father told I could pay. Father, before I could pay, I want to have a video chat with you, Father. Please, before I could send you, please. And he said again after Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, Father. Please, Father, and many kisses also. I will call you in the evening time, Father. 1 minute only. I will call you in the evening time, okay? Just good morning. Please, Father. 6:29 a.m. morning. Because of you, I am online by this time. Shall I pay them in the morning, Father? Like afternoon, I could see you. I will pay, Father. If you like, pay them. If you don't like, don't pay on. And he just sent me a message that the person has already have come to Hyderabad. Like as if he is the person who is there and standing and taking a picture and sent. Okay, and again see that picture, Indian flag. And this is the time your gift arrived at airport. Okay, what's this, Father? And this is the gift again, it seems. The time the gift arrived at airport. Please, Father, I have told them if you don't want to pay, let them send my gift back. Okay, Father, I will be free after 11:15. I will call them and pay on the spot. Is that okay, Father? Please, Father, many kisses. Don't say no to me, Father. Many kisses, please. Crying emojis. Okay, and please, Father, please don't say no. I'll do whatever you say. Don't say no to me, Father. I pay to them. If you pay the money to them, call them so that they will deliver the gifts to your address. Sure, Father, thank you. You send me the money to them. Father, I don't have that much money, Father. I can pay them 5,000 rupees. Don't mind, Father. I think you told me you have 25,000. Meanwhile, as I was chatting with him, immediately I made a call to the police station, dial 100, and immediately they have responded with me, and I have spoken with the police woman, and she also filed a case, she has filed a case, and that you can see here. And after some time, I just got again another call from Adipatla police station, saying it just told me to go to LB Nagar, and there is cyber crime police station. He told me to file a case there itself with the same ID. Hello?
Yes, have you paid the charges?
Hello?
Have you paid the charges?
Sir, I would like to join my brother also. Can you talk with my brother also regarding with this? My brother also is a policeman, okay? And when I told him that we need to pay a lot of money, he said it won't be like that, and he just wants to talk with you. And if you can give me confirmation, if my Baba also, my uncle, if at all he agrees, then immediately I'll pay the amount. Is it okay? Sir?
Yes.
Sir, is this okay? Can I add my uncle also to this call? He is a SI. Can I call him? He wants to talk with you, then we can go with the payment. Is this okay? Sir?
Yes, I said, have you paid the charges?
Sorry? He cut the call, father. Let them call me father. Tell them to call me father, please. I can see that you don't want to receive the gifts. I will call them now to send my gifts back, okay? And I kept crying. And how are you, my dear brother? I think it is 11, 12, 38 he has messaged, and again 4 o'clock, 4:40. How are you, my dear father? And he said, no, I'll take my gifts back. So take him back, father. I told them to send it to your home city. You have to arrange 10,000, okay? Okay. Tell them to send to my home, father. I called him. I just made a video call to him almost 7 times. And immediately what did he do? And he has blocked my account. Father, are you there, father? You blocked me, father. I'll also block you, father. And I also blocked him. So, dear friends, I would like to tell you something, and it's true that I was about to lose 37k. It is true. So I'm telling you, be aware, and the people are so careful and so clever that they can catch you, according to religion, and they can make you also fool, and they can trap you, and they will they'll get the money back from you, everything. They'll swap your account. So be careful, and this is how it goes on. Through Facebook it starts, it ends with your, it comes to WhatsApp, and from WhatsApp to your account empty. So be careful, stay safe, very especially with your account details. Thank you very much. Also, please do subscribe my channel, and the most important thing is that please do share, so that we can know how these kind of crimes are going on. Okay, thank you.